What's going on, guys? Back for another video. I've been kind of busy, so I haven't been posting lately. Didn't make it to the clean and culture meet. Was kind of pissed. I had to work, but tonight, I'm visiting Tico, and he's actually doing stuff to his motor. His motor's almost done, and it also got hub-centric. Whoa, can't see me. Okay, I guess it's not gonna work today. This fucking shit's broken. The fuck? Oh, Jesus Christ, this is embarrassing. I also got hub-centric rings for my wheels. I never had them on there, so that should reduce some vibration, but let's see what Tico's doing. About damn time. It's almost done.
Yeah. We're running this week.
Nice. Poor Evo.
Yeah.
Nice, it break it, fix it, repeat.
No?
Your sign.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can start with that in the video. Yeah, I just need to put this up and put it in timing. Want a beer?
Duh. So, chilling at Tico's, and I decided to check my catch can, see if it was full. Basically take off the top, just to see how it fucking melted in there. That means it was bubbling. Look at that shit. That's fucking gross. Look how filled that shit is. It's cool with the driven fab. It came with a pump. It's right here. And I will show you guys how to use this. So you want to open it up like this. Put this part in here. This part hangs out like so. You want to take a water bottle, keep the cap, do not throw the cap away, because you're going to see why you're going to need the cap in a second. Pull this part out. And then you basically put this hose in here. Sorry, lose one hand. Boom. And then you squeeze the red thing. Gross. And this is what E85 and coolant and oil does when it mixes together. Looks like fucking milkshake. And you do that basically 1 or 2 times every 2 weeks, just to check it, and you should be good. It's better off being in there than in there.
Holy shit.
2 weeks. That's gross.
Almost smoking, huh?
Nope. Almost done. It's not Coors Light.
Oh.
There's all the other stuff up there. Tico's motor is going to be done in about 2 or 3 days. And then this stroker motor, hopefully, will be going into my car. Yep, the head's done. Head got fixed. Got the oil pan up there. Braking in fluid. Got the dampener. Got the 2150cc injectors, IDs. ready. What's going on, guys? It's another day, another night. Slept all day yesterday. I was at Tico's house for quite a while, and not much footage there, just talking about bullshit, and he's putting his motor together. Nothing you haven't seen before. But today, I'm gonna be putting my precision hub-centric rings on. I apparently haven't been having them on the whole time, and I've noticed a whole bunch of vibration and noise, and it's pissing me off. So I got these. You can get the aluminum, you get the plastic, you can get the hard aluminum, weird plastic ones. I don't even know which ones I got. They say they're aluminum inside and they're plastic outside, but they're from Precision, so it has to be good, right? So anyway, I'm gonna put these on. Basically, you just take off the wheel, put the little insert inside the wheel, put the wheel back on. I'm not gonna video it, whatever. I might go to Flanagan's tonight, but this is gonna be a short video. Nothing much has been going on, but I will have a lot of footage for you guys once we start doing the stroker build, putting it in the car. So other than that, stay tuned for the next video. See you. Started on the car already. Also, what you want to do is you want to put some grease on these. Since they're like kind of a plastic, you want them to corrode or crack. It's always good to put the grease on them so they'll seize up. More grease on the aluminum ones. Oh, I dropped it. But I use basically super lube. Better off using the regular grease that you scoop out of the can, but I don't have that. And yeah, that's what you want to do first. Also, I thought it was a good idea to clean my wheels while they're off the car and clean the calipers, the Brimbos, and the coilovers. So I'm gonna be doing that. But yeah, don't forget the grease on these things. All right, I finished all the wheels besides one. I haven't put this one on yet. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like with the ring in there. It sits flush, make sure it sits flush. Put the lube on it. The lip part goes into the wheel, and then you basically hit it in with your hand. So it's nice and smooth. Other than that, that's how it looks. So, nice clean wheels. Boom. See you guys.
I don't know how to end. I don't know how to do an outro. You want to do it for me?
If you guys like this video, give it a subscribe. If you got it, give it a like, give it a like. If you like cheesecake, give it a cheesecake. If you want to give it a strawberry, give it a strawberry. Send them everything in the mail, because everything is an illusion of vague perception, a temporary construct of feeble human intellect trying desperately to justify an existence that's without meaning or purpose. Like, comment, subscribe, youtube.com/Joey Serrano.